Video 265, we got some rudimentary auto tiling here. Let's go look at the code, see what we did. We created these touching masks for touching left, right, top, and bottom. Here's the binary equivalent of these hex values here. We're going to use these to determine whether or not the touching value stores a touching flag for these different ordinal directions. We also have some error checks right here to make sure these values are correct. Here we are recreating these touching values on the GPU side by just templating syntax, wrapping in a U32 constructor, and using the same name on the GPU side. These are inline macro functions in the ArtGirl IMF section. We have macros for detecting if we are touching left, right, top, or bottom. And then we have the inverse macros for vacancies to the left, right, top, or bottom of the current tile we are rendering. We also have some monkey wrench macros for misspellings of these functions. This is the one piece of code that had to change. So it's the same condition here, but now in addition to being out of bounds, you must also have a vacancy on that edge. Because if there's not a vacancy on that edge, we don't need to draw an edge because we want to merge with our neighbor if we have a neighbor. And that's all we did. This is all we changed. This is all we changed. It wasn't much. Here's what we did previously. Here are some diagrams to explain the touching values. And then here's what we did in this video. So we just implemented rudimentary auto tiling. You've been on this playlist. If you want a longer explanation, go to this playlist. I filmed this 3 times in a row. You can get the source code right here, and you can email me here. This has been video number 265, hence the 265 right down there. Like, subscribe, send me coffee in the mail.